Hi everyone, my name is Louis. So today I'm going to present my assignment 1, which is the web development assignment 1. So for this assignment, I actually designed around 7 pages for web page for this website. So let's look at the first web page. So for the first web page, actually you will see the header that introduce the project, which is at here, the welcome to the plant classification project. And the HTML code in for this section is just simple, but it's effective. So in the header tag, we have used the class called the header content to style the title. So let's look at the HTML code. So let's look at the index HTML, which is I use this for the home page. So let's look at the header content. So this is very basic. So I use the H1 to do the style. So for the header. So this is another one. This is the navigation menu, which is to navigate the option for the important page like the home, plans classification, tutorial inquiry, and the profile. Yeah. So let's look at the main content. So the main content is basically to explain what it's going to do for our web page. So what we need to brief giving the information for our user. So actually we have the plant classification, herbarium specimen, plant identification technique, and also the importance of plant classification and herbarium specimen. And also we have to do the footer. Yeah. So let's look at the second pages, which is the plant classification. So for the plant classification is actually we need to like put some images, and also we need to know what family, genus, and the species we need to do. So actually we need to do like each of one. So yeah, so this is my design. So this is the pages of Echinodolphin species in the Raulisin family, and this is also another species for the family family of Larises. Yeah, so same footer we need to put it. So let's look at the tutorial pages. So this is the third pages. So as you can see, this is the step-by-step guide, and this is the required equipment for each step. Yeah, so you can just follow the step to do the what you need to do. So this is already the description over here, so you can just follow it. And yeah, and another one, this is the three icons. So actually you can click the button, so it will directly link to the platform that you want. Yeah, so for the tools, it's very basic. Just explain about the essential tools, tools description, tools overview, and the tools that you need. Yeah, over here. So there's a picture over here. So you can just refer the picture and you know what is the essential tools you need to do for the creating the herbarium specimen. Yeah, for the care, is actually we need to know how to preserve the herbarium specimen. So this is a guideline over here, the cleaning method, and the preservation tool method. Yeah. Okay. So that's all from the tutorial pages. So let's move on to the inquiry form. So for the inquiry form, it's just the one more interactive feature for the website. So user can just submit their inquiries through the form. So the form is actually structured using the standard HTML element like input, select, view set for grouping form inputs. So let's look at the coding. So for the code, inquiry coding is actually is not that hard. It's actually quite the same. So I try to do a style for it. So and instead of using the style CSS, so I try to create another style for it. So let's look at the header. Very simple. Navigation menu, same as the home pages. Main content. So main content is that we're using the what should we call it? We're using the form tag, yeah, to define the form. Yeah, the form tag to define the form. So, and the action attribute specify where the form data should send to is submitted. Here is the send. So we will send to a, let's say, called submitted inquiry PHP. Yeah, so send to there. And the file set, and the legend. Alright, files and the legend are used to group the form element, which improve the accessibility and the structure of the form. So the input tag handle user input, such as the name and contact reference. Yeah, this. So for the rest, for the drop down is quite same. With the like I can do the demonstration. So for the drop down, yeah, I can just I can select one of it, same as the stage. Yeah, I still can select. Yeah, so everything, if you simply click the submitter, you're not going to submit because you need to fill out this field. So you need to fill out all of these things, then you press submit. Yeah. So let's move on to the profile. Yeah, profile is the last pages for me. So profile is actually quite basic. So we just do the same thing over here. So you can see we'll go to the profile. Everything is quite simple. We try to make it like put the profile picture, the student info, something like that, and we add the extra information in the table format. So for the profile pages, the most important thing is the table format. Yeah. So for the table format is a very great way to organize the structural information. So each row represents different pieces of personal information, such as like the hometown or the favorite books or something like that. So yeah, it's quite straightforward. And yeah, I think that is all from the profile pages. So yeah, and we also improve the logo, and I try to put in 3 columns so that if you press the email me, so it can just directly go to the email, something features like this. So yeah, so that's all from me. So for the further information or anything else, we can just go to the website and just look around. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you for the watching.